Hello everyone, welcome back to English Valley Cafe. I'm Anne. In this week's lesson, we're going to talk about slang, and our word today is suck. Have you heard English speakers use this word something like that sucks, or it sucks, or maybe suck it up? There are a lot of expressions in English that use this slang word, and today we're going to talk about some of the common expressions that you will hear English speakers use in conversations. Now, before we get into the expressions, I just want to say that some of these expressions can sound impolite. Suck is not a bad word, but it is an informal word. So, depending on the situation and who you're talking to, you don't want to use this word if you are in a formal situation, like you're talking to your boss or somebody that you don't know. It can sound offensive, it can be impolite. So be careful about that. But if you're at work and you're talking to your coworkers, you know them very well, and you're just having a casual conversation, it's perfectly fine to use this word. And definitely you can use this word with, your close friends. All right, so with that said, let's get into our first expression, and that is suck at something. Suck at something. So if you suck at something, that means that you're not very good at it, you're not very skillful. So for example, I can say I suck at drawing, or she sucks at driving. Now be careful here when you use suck, it is a verb. So we're going to say I suck, you suck, we suck, they suck. But if you use the third person, he or she, it's going to be sucks. Okay, so don't say I sucks. It's I suck. Or don't say he suck. It's he sucks. Now you could also use suck to talk about something that you don't like or something that is not good, and it can be a situation as well. So let's say you're watching this basketball game and it's just such a boring game, you don't like it, so you can say this game sucks. Okay, notice how I say in my intonation and my expression, like this game sucks. Okay, I'm gonna put the stress on the word sucks. This game sucks. Or I go to a restaurant and I notice all their drinks are not that good. I can say their drinks suck. Another example is sucks to be at home with a cold when my friends are out having fun. So here we're kind of talking about a situation that we are in that's not in our favor. So it sucks to be at home with a cold. The next one, that sucks. That sucks. And you'll often hear something like, oh man, that sucks. Or, ah, that sucks. So if your friend tells you, I have 2 presentations and 2 final exams on Monday, you might say like, oh man, that sucks. Or that sucks. This is something that nobody wants, right? 2 presentations and 2 final exams. So it's like saying, oh man, that's like a situation that nobody wants to be in. I'm sorry you have to go through this. So you can say that sucks. And this is not impolite, it's just saying, I'm sorry that you have to go through this. Or if I tell you, I'm off tomorrow, okay, as in I'm not working tomorrow, I'm off tomorrow, but my coworker is out sick, so I have to go to work and cover for him. So you might tell me, oh man, that sucks. Or when you're angry, you might say, you suck. Okay, you suck. Okay, so notice how I'm saying this with that angry tone and I'm putting the stress on the word suck. So this is an insult to people, like insulting somebody. When you're having an argument with somebody, you're so angry, you're really mad, you just cannot believe how can they do this. Okay, so you might tell them you suck. The next expression, suck it up. Okay, suck it up. And this is something that we use to tell people, like, just deal with the difficult situation and don't complain about it. So for example, like let's say if your friend comes to you and complains like, oh, my brother did this, why is he always doing this, why can't he just do this? So your friend's always complaining about his or her brother, and you might just say, you know what, suck it up. Okay, suck it up. That means just deal with a difficult situation. find a solution to it and don't complain about it. And last but not least, get sucked into something. When we get sucked into something, that means that we become involved in a situation that we don't want to be in. So for example, I got sucked into a really addictive TV drama series. So this is something that, a situation that I know I shouldn't be in. It's wasting my time and I shouldn't do it. But the TV drama is just so good that I got sucked into it. Another example is don't suck me into your problems. Okay, so you might tell somebody like they're just telling you about their problems and you just don't want to get involved in the situation. You might say, don't suck me into your problems. Or don't get sucked in by her sweet talk. So when someone sweet talks, that means that they're trying to say something like a fake praise or a fake compliment to get you to do something. So don't get sucked in by her sweet talk. Don't be fooled by someone. Okay, suck in. Now again, a very important grammar point here is that when you use suck as a verb, be careful that you don't use it the wrong way. So if you're going to say I, is I suck. Okay, not I sucks, or like this sucks. Okay, this sucks. Make sure you get the S in there. Not this suck, but this sucks. Alright, hope you find this video useful. If there are other slang words that you've heard and you don't know what it means, how to use it, leave it down in the comments below. And if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you back here next week for a new lesson. Take care.